Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight I'm just going to fix something real simple. It's just going to be 2 pork chops, and I'm going to cook it on my George Foreman grill. So we're going to get started. It just says hand trimmed pork chops. So what I've got is 2 pork chops, and I'm going to marinate them for about 30 minutes. I'm going to use some Grillmates seasoning, Smokehouse maple. Like I say, I'm going to let these sit for about 30 minutes before I put them on the grill. I was in North Carolina last week. A friend of mine had this for dinner one night, and it was so good. She seasoned them with the Smokehouse maple seasoning and Lawreys seasoned salt. So we're going to put a little bit of that on there. This is really lower sodium salt, and we're just going to put them on a plate and let them sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and marinate. Then I'm going to take them out, and we're going to put them on our George Foreman grill, and we'll have our meat for dinner. This is really a quick meal tonight. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our 2 pork chops that's been marinating in the refrigerator about 30-40 minutes, that I have put Smokehouse maple seasoning on and some seasoning salt, and we're going to put them on the grill and just cook them just a little bit. It didn't take long for it to start smelling good. And the good thing about a George Foreman grill is you can use it in the house. I don't have to heat up the big grill outside. And you do not have to turn it over. It will cook both sides and it'll be done. I'm going to let it cook for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. This is pork, so pork needs to be more done than what beef would be. And the temperature just came back on again, so it will keep the temperature at the right temp, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, I'm going to take one out just to see how close it is to being done, because you do not want it overdone. Needs to cook just a few more minutes. Not bad, but could be a little bit done. Okay, I do believe this is probably going to be done this time. Let's just give it a check. Oh yes, it looks done. So We have now got grilled pork chops, some string beans, and some lady at church gave me some sweet potatoes. They're really small, so I cooked 2 of them. So that is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Let me cut into this just so you can see. This is definitely done, and it really looks good. So again, around the house with Kay and Tom. Join my channel. Give me your comments. This is really a short, quick meal, and all I did was use my George Foreman grill, seasoning salt from Lawreys, and Grillmates Smokehouse maple seasoning. Come back to see me. Have a good day. As you can see, it is definitely done.